Hello, let me show you a few tips how you can try to fix that Wi-Fi problems on the Redmi A7 Pro. So first of all, you have to start by opening the settings and you will have to go for more connectivity options. And the most easiest way is just to perform the reset of mobile network settings. So it's including Wi-Fi, mobile networks, but also Bluetooth. Unfortunately, there's no way to only reset Wi-Fi, but if you got a problem, you have to definitely try this. Click on the reset and check if it works. If it is not working, then you can also go for the private DNS server, which should be available somewhere here. There we go. And you have to try to turn it off. Now you will have to go into your Wi-Fi and you will have to basically disconnect this Wi-Fi, wait for a few seconds, then turn it on back and let's check if it helps. If not, what you can also do, just go for the mobile data usage and you will have to switch for the Wi-Fi here. Not here, actually here for the Wi-Fi usage. And now, if the problem only appears with a specific application, for example, you try to download something from your browser or any application, you have to go for this specific application and check if your application got access into the Wi-Fi, because sometimes there's a chance that the Wi-Fi or background data will be turned off, and this will actually give you a lot of problems. So make sure that you are gonna turn it on for every application that the problem appears. But if it is still not working, you can simply go into the update, check for the latest update, and here take a look. In some updates, you can find a lot of improvements. For example, in this case, we can find performance enhancements, but also the stability of memory, allocation of system memory. So if there's like a known problem with the Wi-Fi, Xiaomi can give you update and fix this. And if nothing is working, what you can also do, well, this is the simple method, but sometimes it is working. You can just simply forget this network by clicking here. You have to just disconnect, and now you will have to restart your phone by holding the power button and the volume down button. Volume up and the power button, and simply restart your phone, connect one more time, and that will be finished. And sometimes it's quite obvious, but people often forget about this one. Make sure that you are not using the airplane mode, because when the airplane mode is on, then as you can see, all of those connections are disabled. Thank you so much for watching and let me know if it works.